Hello, Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. I want to take a second and tell you about the 235 Dorado from Scout. So this boat, really cool design on the windshield. They spent a lot of time integrating the fiberglass concept to make it match the lines of the boat. It's really smooth lines. It really is a great looking boat. Heavy duty windshield all the way around. So it's really nice. It's storage seating underneath all the way around with fold down armrest, anchor lockers in the bow, 2 J&L speakers up forward. There's a lockable compartment over here. It gives you access to the back of the electronic system, and all your pumps are in here. So that's nice. A bow block off door, so when the windshield is closed, you get very little wind in here, so on a cool day it's nice to have that option. On this side we have a head, the nice vacuum flush toilet. Plenty of room in there for storage. At the helm here we have upgraded Garmin GPS, Mercury vessel view system here that gives you all of your engine information, satellite compatible Fusion stereo, Garmin VHF. And then this little remote control over here controls all the lights on the boat. So it's really neat to be able to have that in your pocket when you walk down the dock, turn the lights on, so mood lighting or just safety lighting around when you're getting on and off the boat. And here you have USB ports and 12-volt plug for any electronics that you may be using. It's just lockable as well, so that's nice. Nice upgraded Edison steering wheel. Flip up thigh-rise bolsters on either side. And a huge storage compartment in the floor. And moving back on the boat, we have a sink on this side, and then a Yeti cooler stored underneath with a nice cushion bolstered all the way around throughout the whole boat. Continuing on the port side here, we have a table. It's nice if you're having lunch, or you can turn this chair around and face it either way. That folds away out when you're not using it. This storage compartment here opens up, so you have plenty of storage in there. This seat can go forwards or backwards, depending on which way you got that going on. Back in the transom back here, we have fold out seat on the starboard side. So if you're fishing, you can have that folded up out of the way. If you got a big crew on here, you can fold it out and have plenty of seating. Transom seat here as well too. Folds out and down, so plenty of good solid seat. It's not shaking around. There's no moving parts to really get in your way. And back here on the corner, we have live well. Our storage compartment is insulated, can also be used as a cooler, so that's really nice. On the transom here, this boat has the teak sea deck in the wood grain. And this boat is powered by 300 horsepower V8 Mercury. So a really great package for the area, and really sleek designs with the windshield integrated into the hull. And this boat is in sharp gray, so it's one of their newer colors in the last couple of years. It's a good looking boat with the Scout off-white. The contrast between the two really look great. So give us a call if you have any questions on the 235 Dorado from Scout. And this is Chet Porter, MarineMax Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thank you.